Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with ISI Mstat PSA 2020 paper. So the question that we'll be focusing on in this particular video is question number 10 from the paper. Okay, so let's take a look. So let A be a 3 by 3 matrix where A equal to 1 2 4 0 0 3 and 0 0 minus 1. Then the determinant of matrix A17 plus A10 minus I is okay. So here we know A is given, so therefore what we can conclude, let me say A square can be written as 126, okay, 0 0 minus 3 and 0 0 1. Okay, simply A square multiplied A into a matrix. Okay, similarly if we do A to the power 4, if I am to find out 126 0 0 minus 3 and 0 0 1. Okay, this is A to the power 4. This is what we have. So again, if you have to find A cube, mean nothing but 1 2 4 0 0 3 and 0 0 minus 1. Okay, so therefore notice one thing, A even is nothing but 1 2 6. See, these two matrices are identical. Okay, 1 2 6 0 0 minus 3 and 0 0 1. Okay, and A odd, A to the power odd will be nothing but 1 2 4 0 0 3 and 0 0 minus 1. Okay, this is what we have. So now what we need is A17 plus A10 minus identity matrix, that is A odd plus A even minus I. Okay, so this can be written as 1 2 4 0 0 3 0 0 minus 1 plus 1 2 6 0 0 minus 3 and 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, the identity matrix. Okay, so this is what we have, and if we solve the same, what we get is 4 10 0 minus 1 0 and 0 0 minus 1. Okay, so this is what we have. So therefore we need to find the determinant. So therefore determinant of the same, say this is the A equal to 1 into minus 0 minus 4. Okay, so 0 minus 0 and plus 10 would be 0 minus 0. So that is this, both terms will be 0, so determinant will be 1. So option A is the correct answer. So if this thing is clear, pretty straightforward question, just matrix multiplication and determination. That's determinants finding out, that's all that was required. So I hope this thing is clear. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video and I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.